In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Scrivener with Dropbox. This is a valuable process that ensures your work is backed up and accessible from anywhere. Let's dive right into it. First, make sure you have both Scrivener and Dropbox installed on your computer. This is important because you need both applications to enable the syncing process. You can download Dropbox from their official website if you don't have it yet. Once both applications are installed, launch Scrivener first. You will see the familiar interface, with your projects listed on the left side. This is where you manage your writing projects. Opening Scrivener first helps ensure that the syncing features are properly initialized when you connect to Dropbox. Next, open your project in Scrivener that you want to sync with Dropbox. This step is crucial as it allows you to designate which specific project will be backed up in the cloud. As you navigate through your project, you will see your folders and documents on the sidebar. It's essential to have your project open to ensure that Scrivener knows which files to sync. You can take your time to review your project, ensuring everything is in order before proceeding to the next step. After that, go to the File menu in Scrivener and select Save As. This action will bring up a dialog box prompting you to choose where to save your project. Here, you will want to select your Dropbox folder as the destination for your project file. This is a pivotal moment because saving your project directly to Dropbox will enable automatic syncing. Make sure to choose a specific folder within Dropbox where you want to keep your Scrivener project, as this will help you stay organized. Now that you have chosen the Dropbox folder, click Save. This action will save your project into Dropbox. You might notice a progress bar or a confirmation message indicating that your project is being saved. This means your work is now stored in the cloud, making it accessible from any device linked to your Dropbox account. This is reassuring as it ensures your data is safe and can be retrieved easily if needed. Going forward, every time you save or close Scrivener, your computer will automatically sync your updates to the cloud. This seamless integration is incredibly useful. It means you no longer need to worry about manually backing up your work. Instead, every change you make in Scrivener is automatically reflected in your Dropbox folder. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as you can focus on your writing without the constant concern of losing your progress. Remember, you can access your project from any device that has Dropbox installed. This feature is especially beneficial for writers on the go. Whether you are using a laptop or a mobile device, your work is always within reach. Just log into your Dropbox account and you will find your Scrivener project ready for you. In conclusion, syncing Scrivener with Dropbox is a simple yet powerful way to keep your writing safe and accessible. By following these steps, you can ensure that your work is securely backed up in the cloud. This not only protects your writing but also allows you to work from anywhere. Thank you for watching and happy writing.